Welcome to Homebuyers School, brought to you by Brookfield Residential.
Hi everyone, welcome to another edition of Homebuyers School. Today I'm talking with Kevin French with Remax Realty, and the question we're going to answer is, what are improvements or steps I need to take before selling my home? So Kevin, what are some of the first of all, can I sell my home as is? Like I don't do any kind of improvements, preparations, I just put it on the market.
Yes, but it's not recommended.
Okay.
So typically the items that you're going to take care of are all cosmetic. They're surface level. Mm-hmm. Of course, if you've got pets that damage carpet or hardwood or any flooring surface, that may need to be, that's a larger expense that might need to be taken care of. But if you're listing the property, the small things that you're going to want to do are replace the furnace filter, change all the light bulbs, make sure that they're matching and not some yellow and some the white light. Take care of little things, that little holes in the walls or little nicks, which might require repainting an entire area, which can be a bit frustrating. Yep. But just make the property appear, hopefully it was well taken care of, but make it appear like it was incredibly well taken care of. If you're looking at a 5 or 10-year-old home and people are going into that, you need to show as best as you possibly can and as good as the toughest competition in the market.
Yeah. What other steps?
Well, you could do a pre-home inspection if you're concerned about some things. So if you have an older property, you're concerned about the foundation or the electrical or maybe the condition of the roof of the home in the garage, you could do a pre-inspection, and then that gives some people, there's a sign that would go on the front of your lawn, and it gives buyers a peace of mind knowing that this property isn't going to fall down. Yeah. And they've taken the time to do a pre-inspection and then take care of any items that were addressed in there.
How about landscaping? Like if your house, let's say, has either a small yard or a big yard, is it worth it, going through that with a landscaper or somebody else?
Yeah, depending on the cost, right? At the end of the day, you don't want to spend thousands of dollars doing something that someone might dislike. Yeah. And it might turn them away from the property, or they might just change it the next day after they take possession. Yeah. So, but you want to make it show as well as it possibly can. You want to make it make the grass green and get rid of the stains or the dead patches from animals or whatever it may be.
Any other preparations that like home buyers would need to do before selling? Or not home buyers, but people selling their home?
It varies from property to property, but just always make it look as if it was extremely well maintained. Paint what needs to be painted, including the deck, stain the shakes if they're cedar shakes or whatever it may be on the exterior. Just do everything to make the curb appeal as good as it possibly can.
Great. Well, that's our show for today. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
That's another edition of Homebuyers School. Tune in next time for more expert tips and tricks. And visit homebuyerschool.ca to bring you one step closer to finding your dream home. As with everything, it would be great if you like and share our videos. Also, please let us know if you have any home buying questions you want us to answer.